It's coming together.
Hey guys, it's me, AB Stills. I'm taking over Chris's vlog for the week.
A lot of you.
Getting ready to go pick up Kevin from the airport, and I am extremely excited.
We're gonna be picking up a friend that I haven't seen in a very long time, and he's flying in today, right now. We're gonna go pick him up. Yes. Kevin's here.
Kevin's here.
Whoa! Oh God.
We're not even on the highway yet, and there's already traffic.
This is not gonna be fun. We are still here. We're still doing this thing.
The sun has literally left, and we're still stuck. About to pick up Kevin. Ah. Oh, it's Kevin!
Hi, friends!
I haven't seen you in a year. Why are you wearing this hat? Is it because you were in Houston?
Because I wear this hat all the time.
Hit it! That's what
How do we feel after we freaking drove for how many hours, Chris?
That was like 3? A lot going on today, a lot going on. 3 days left for the workshop, and we're picking up the sets today. I have to rent a truck, get the truck, pick up the sets, bring them to the stage, set the sets up, rehearsing, and hopefully get it all figured out by today because we are running out of time.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place.
Gloria, do you have anything to say to Chris Trini?
It could either be really sweet or really mean. I don't know.
I first thought it was mean.
Alright, Kevin, we're 1 day away from the event. How do you feel?
Tired and hungry, even though I just ate Papa John's. Aha, look at that.
How's that look?
Orange. Me and Chris are off to Hollywood. Hollywood? Now the plan is to go all the way to Hollywood to go pick up some lights. And then we're gonna stop at Amoeba and we're gonna pick up some records and a record player.
Whoa.
Yeah, this whole place is like that, Chris.
Whoa.
Whoa! It's over here. Alright, pick some good ones, Chris.
Yes.
Here. He's having the time of his life.
That's weird.
That's weird, but it looks artistic. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
Guys, we're so close to starting. We're gonna have people coming in very soon, and just look at, that's gonna be a lot of people. A lot of people, a lot of knowledge. Knowledge. Oh, no worries.
Say something.
Hola.
Wow. How you feeling, Chris?
Hydrated. It's important.
I'm here, Chris. Yeah, what's going on, guys? Today we are here doing a lighting workshop with Chris Trini.
Yes.
An amazing lighting workshop, super excited. We have more seats available, so if you're in the area, you can show up. Swipe up, it is currently in the store to get tickets. We have these seats. Thank you for coming out, but thank these guys for putting it on. By no means.